Ciao and welcome! I'm so glad you're here today. If you've ever dreamed of learning Italian, you're in the right place. This channel is all about helping English speakers discover the beauty of Italian. And today, we're starting with something very important. Alright, let's dive into something that I know is on a lot of your minds. Am I too old to learn Italian? Well, we're about to completely flip that idea on its head. We're going to show you why your age isn't a roadblock, it's actually your greatest advantage. Let's get started. Does that little voice in your head ever whispered this? Maybe you're in your 50s, 60s, 70s, or hey, even older, and you're worried that your brain's just not up for the challenge anymore. You are not alone. This is such a common fear, and honestly, it's the number one thing that stops people before they even start. And you know where that fear usually comes from? This old idea, the myth that kids are like little sponges and are just wired to learn languages better than adults. We've all heard it a million times, but today we're going to fuss that myth wide open. So let me be absolutely clear about this. Based on tons of experience with adult learners just like you, we can say with total confidence that your age is not the disadvantage you think it is. In fact, it's your secret weapon. All that wisdom, all that life experience you've gathered over the years, those are the exact tools that are going to help you succeed. So, secret weapon, advantage. What does that really mean? How is age a good thing here? Well, we've broken it down into 5 key strengths. Let's call them superpowers that you, as an adult learner, already have in your back pocket. Let's uncover them. Okay, superpower number 1. This one takes that myth about kids being better learners head on. Sure, kids are fantastic at mimicking sounds, they're little parrots, but that's only one piece of a much bigger puzzle. As an adult, you already understand how languages work. You get what a noun is, what a verb is. You can spot connections between English and Italian words, which helps you learn vocabulary way faster. And maybe most importantly, you actually know how to learn. Kids need years and years of school to build that kind of structure. You're walking in with a huge head start. Superpower number 2 is all about the amazing things happening inside your head. It's called neuroplasticity. You know, for the longest time, people thought our brains just sort of set in stone after childhood. We now know that's completely false. Science has proven that your brain is constantly changing, adapting, and building new pathways, no matter your age. The real difference between you and a child isn't brain power, it's time. A kid's full-time job is learning. You just have to be more strategic with your time. You learn more efficiently, not less effectively. All right, next up is superpower number 3. And this one might be the most underrated advantage you have, your focus. Younger learners are pulled in a million different directions. Their attention spans are, well, you know. But as an adult, when you decide to sit down for 20 minutes to study, you make those 20 minutes really count. You're doing active, intentional practice. And that focused effort, it leads to way more progress than hours of half-distracted learning ever could. And let me tell you, this is a real story that just shows the power of that focus. One student started her Italian journey in her 70s. A decade later, in her 80s, she wasn't just having conversations in Italian, she'd also picked up the piano and was playing Christmas songs for her family. Her secret wasn't some hidden talent, it was her incredible dedication and her ability to truly focus. It's just amazing proof of what's possible. Superpower number 4 is the engine that's going to drive this whole thing. It is your why. Think about it. A kid is often learning a language for a grade in school. Your motivation is so much deeper, so much more personal. Maybe you want to connect with your Italian roots, or you're planning that dream retirement in Tuscany, or you just want to keep your brain sharp and healthy. That powerful why is what creates consistency. And let me tell you, consistency beats talent every single time. And that brings us to our final, and maybe the most important, superpower of all. It's this simple truth. Courage, determination, and curiosity, they don't have an expiration date. Just the act of deciding to learn something new at this stage in your life says so much about your character. You're not just learning a language, you're proving to yourself and everyone else that it is never, ever too late to go after something you want. So, now you know you have these amazing superpowers. What's next? How do you actually put them into action and start your journey? The path forward is actually pretty simple. First, just take it one small step at a time. Don't try to learn everything at once, that's a recipe for feeling overwhelmed. Second, focus on making progress, not on being perfect. Mistakes are not just okay, they're essential. That's how we learn. And third, and this is so important, celebrate every little win, every new word, every sentence you understand. Celebrate it. That's what builds momentum. So, there you have it. The very things you may have worried were weaknesses are actually your greatest strength. You have the wisdom, you have the focus, and you have the discipline. The only question left is, what are you going to do with your superpowers? Grazie mille for joining me in this lesson today. Remember, your age is not a weakness. It's your greatest strength. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Share this with a friend who is thinking about learning Italian. It might inspire them too. And in the comments, tell me why you want to learn Italian. I'd love to hear your story. Until next time, keep practicing, keep smiling, and as we say in Italian, arrivederci.